Hi, so I will first show you for my experiment the gummy bears. So this is the gummy bear that was placed in tap water, and it's huge and it's formed and starting to dissolve. And that's cool, and that's why it's loud. The second gummy bear, which I put in salt water, very tiny and shriveled and colorless. So I'm going to explain as to why this occurred. So first I'm going to go explain the ingredients that are in gummy bears. So gummy bears contain biopolymer gelatin, sugar, citric acid, and coloring agents. So why did the gummy bear expand and then kind of dissolve and become distorted in the tap water? I'll answer that, and that's because when gelatin takes in water, it forms hydrogel, and gelatin has functional groups such as carboxylic acid and amine groups. So these groups are all hydrophilic, so that means that they're attracted to water. And the swelling that occurs is because the molecules in the gelatin is taking in the water. So the swelling occurs as a result of the attraction of water by the gelatin, which is a semi-solid. So the water is taken up into the gel, which has gel micelles, which are held together by chemical forces, in which when they absorb water, then they increase in volume. So when the gummy will become distorted because when they keep taking in water, they'll finally keep expanding and expanding until its limit, in which the bonds will break apart. And once the bonds break apart, then gelatin is soluble, somewhat soluble in water, in which at room temp, in which once it reaches its limit, it will slowly start to dissolve. So why does it shrink in salt? That is because by adding salt, the intrinsic viscosity of gelatin decreases when the salt concentration increases, which means that the solubility of gelatin is enhanced. So this phenomenon is caused by the tertiary electroviscous effect, and that is when more salt is added, the interchain electrostatic repulsion of the gelatin is weakened by the stronger effect of the small salt ions. So therefore, once it's placed in the gelatin begins to solubilize faster instead of swelling like the one in tap water, and because it starts solubilizing faster, and then it begins losing color, and it starts getting smaller and smaller because it's losing its contents. So that's why that happens. Thank you.